Hello and welcome to another Tableau video. I am going to show you kind of the main menu layout, where all the elements are. We'll do a really simple bar graph as an example, and then we'll basically stop there, just so you can get a really good feel of really what it does. Now in one of the other videos, we actually loaded up information. In this one, we're going to use the Superstore dataset. Now this Superstore dataset is, comes with every single Tableau package. And basically, it's a really good data set to play with the information because it's really diverse. We've got a lot of things we can actually try rather than me creating like a random data set. So we just go ahead and click that. And that's going to load up our data set. It's going to have dashboards already, right, that we can kind of play with. But we're going to skip ahead and we're actually just going to click this button right here, excuse me, which is New Sheet. Okay, and this is really what you start with after you've loaded up your information. Okay, so you load it up and you start a new sheet. All right, so the way it breaks down is you have kind of your shelf here, if you will. This shelf is, where you set your columns, where you set your rows. So let's say I'm doing a bar chart, right? Let's say I've got my sales target. I can grab this, put it into rows, and Tableau is really intuitive in that it's already created a bar chart for me. It's a really visual tool. And if I hover, I've already got, the total sales target. But let's say I want to split that up by category, right, as my x-axis. So I just go over here, I grab category, and I drop it into columns, right? And then it will just keep plotting for me. And so the items in terms of the fields in my data sets that I load up are all here, okay? And they're usually split in these two main sections. Now the difference between dimensions and measures is it's usually dimensions are, dates, they're strings, locations, that kind of thing. And measures are anything where it's numbers. And the reason it splits is because you're going to do calculations on measures like sum, average, counts, that kind of thing. So it's nice to have it split up. Also, if you notice that these are blue and these are green. Okay, so these are all representing measures and these are all representing dimensions. Okay, so that's that part. Up here, you're going to have your actual data sources, things that you've actually loaded, right? At the bottom is parameters, which we will get through very later on. I'll have a video for that. These are called, I think, tiles. And in here, you can set up a lot of different things. So for example, in this graphic, I have, low, medium, high. And I want to apply a color to this based on the sum of sales targets. So if I grab that again, right, and I drag it into color, it's going to color code it for me based on the sales. So it's actually doing it from, lightest to darkest. And I can actually change that color, right? I can double click this and change the color. I can make it orange and blue. Okay. And then you can also split this up. And as you change things, it will just keep moving things around for you. Right? And this is the beauty of Tableau in that it's not going to simply crash. You can just keep moving things around and keep playing with them, right? And you can discover so much more in this style rather than programs where they're very particular about setting things up and then it'll crash, so there's a really steep learning curve, whereas in, Tableau, there just isn't, right? So let's say I also wanted labels. All I do is I grab that sales target again, I drop it on labels, bang. I got labels. I want grand totals. I go analytics, totals. All right. Let's say I want columns. So now I know the totals. I can have totals on the right. I can have an average line. It's just so easy. This stuff would have taken me ages in Excel, So that's kind of the main elements of it. Obviously, the bottom is like where your sheets are, where your dashboards are. These controls up here we'll get to a bit later on. But really the ones you need to know are like undo, save, new data source. And that's basically it, right? The rest of it, like we'll get to in detail. All right, so that's just kind of the main view. Oh, one thing I got to show you is this thing right here, the show me. This actually will transform whatever data set you have here to something new. So let's say I want to see it as bubbles. I want to see it as tiles, like a hierarchy or a tree map. I want to see it as circles, pie charts. I want to see it as a crosstab. I want to see it as visualized like that. I want to see it as a table, right? There's so much you can do, and it's just so easy, right? It's just so easy. So anyways, we'll leave it at that. and we'll get stuck into other things in the next video. All right, see you later.